Let me ask you a question. What do these artworks all have in common? Sure, they are all made by pro artists. That's not what my point is though. You can look at each of these pieces and you probably instantly recognize who made them without seeing their name. Each of them uses some specific brushes, draws eyes in a certain way or more. Some of them even have a specific atmosphere nailed down that they use in almost every piece. Gouveis is a perfect example. I absolutely love his artworks. This uniqueness of their works is called style, and I want to talk about it a little today. I've been totally obsessed with finding my style for a really long time, and I believe a lot of you might be as well. I still haven't found my style, but there is something I realized. The thing is, you cannot just create or find your style. It comes to you by itself naturally. For some people, it can take a few months. For others, it can take years. And you don't just wake up one day and you suddenly have your style. It develops by you doing, consuming, and studying art, and it is never final. Style never reaches its final form the same way as you will never run out of stuff to improve in. In my opinion, style is like a collection of art habits that stuck on you. Let's imagine this little guy is you, and this flower field is art you are consuming. If you run through the field, you might get some flower petals stuck on your clothes. These petals are art habits that help you develop your style. Now, let's imagine you sprinkle a bit of this sticky substance on yourself and try running through the field again. As you might expect, there is more flower petals stuck on you. The more you cover yourself with the sticky substance, the more flower petals stick on you. So, what is this sticky substance? It's your knowledge of art fundamentals. Stuff like construction, perspective, form, anatomy, color, lighting and shadow, composition, and more. The more understanding you have in these, the easier it is for you to develop your style. Style is basically an exaggeration of your fundamentals. The more you understand fundamentals, the more you can push them to the limits, and that is what we call style. So, to sum it up, your art style comes with practice. Not just any practice, though. Some practice might actually set you back, and I'm gonna make a video about it sometime in the future for sure. What I believe can help you develop your style faster is practicing art fundamentals, as well as consuming as much art from different artists as you can. And also, a really important tip is to stop focusing on developing your style. Really, just improve at the fundamentals, and style will come naturally. Alright, boys and girls, this is what I wanted to talk about today. If this helped you, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more similar content. And if you have any other tips on how to develop art style, make sure to share it with us in the comments. I would be glad to have a little discussion about it. Remember, keep it fun and really enjoy yourself doing what you love. I will see you next time. Love you. Bye.